This interesting. The face changing. They arrange it from the tallest to the shortest. I've seen this guy before in the movies, the Shanghai Tan. Guess what? I saw the pandas, but it's just a fake one. Oh, the red pandas. I'm really going to the zoo. I mean, no, the panda sanctuary, the 1 or 2 days time in the morning. Good evening from Chengdu, China. Today I'm at the Chengdu Museum. Let's go. Free entry to the museum. All need to do to show a passport. I'm really excited to visit the museum because I've been to Chengdu a few times, and this is my first time visiting the museum. You can actually rent the audio guide. We support up to 6 languages for 40 yuan. There's total of 6 levels. Level 5. Exhibition Hall 8. Shadow Play Puppetry of China. Wow. Have you guys ever watched puppetry of China? Oh, look at the Chinese characters. Wow. String puppet. In Chinese, they call it the mu'ou. Over here with the glove puppetry. Amazing. No museum in the world has this. I think it's only unique to the Chengdu. This will be the tallest. I think the older generation would like to see this. These are the heads. I'm just amazed because I've never seen a live show before, but I'm going to watch. It's so crowded. Wow, look at these guys. So that was Hall 8, and in front is a Hall 7. Let's check it out. In Hall 7 here, you have the Chinese Shadow Play. Oh. This got to be one of the biggest museums I've ever visited. Oh. They actually classify according to the province that this is Jiangxi, and on the right side this is Hunan. In all over China, they have it, and Hubei is the next one. The feel of this museum is actually futuristic, artistic, and simply beautiful. Going to level 4 right now. Souvenir shop right here. At level 4, your exhibition Hall 5 and 6. Hall 6 exhibition, Hall 6 history and cultural display of Chengdu folk customs. Oh, there's a Lao Chengdu, Old Chengdu here, about the alleys and crisscross routes. 街港故事. Wow. This is a bit like the Chinatown of Singapore, about the early migrants. Oh, look at this. This is interesting. Unfortunately, you cannot go inside. What an interesting name. Oh, look at this. This section about the food in Sichuan. It's a bit dark here. Exhibition Hall 5, Culture Display, Chengdu. Oh, I like this, the soldier monument statue. 川军破 The uniform of the China soldiers. Oh, there's the tailor shop here. Oh, do you remember they close at 5 p.m. not 5:30? Come early, and now I'm pushing level 3. Exhibition 4. Wow. There's a boat or something here. Look at this, man. Actually, the vessel to transport all this stuff. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Look at the general. Oh. Memories of the year. National treasures. Wow. Wow. Exhibition Hall 2 at level 2. Wow. I think this is something interesting. The coolies or the migrants back in the olden China, Chengdu. Don't worry if you don't really understand Chinese, because the music is all about experiencing exhibits. I'm not sure what this, but it says the Yangzi Tai, the Mao. For level 1 is a paid exhibition, so I'm going to skip that. I'm going to basement 1, Man and Nature exhibition. Lots of animal statues here. I'm just excited to go visit Chengdu Zoo. Yes, there's a zoo in Chengdu, and I can even visit the panda. But I need to go in the morning because they actually kind of sleep from like 2 to 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Wow, what exhibits. Actually it's the coldest here at the basement. And the upper levels is actually quite stuffy. And there's a wobble, right? Oh, look at camera. I feel like a kid once again. So it links back to the Asian shoe relics, the Sanxingdui and Chesa relics. There are all these Silk Road messages. And look at the top. Some kind of cave wall paintings. Most miss out this at the top. There are 2 more animal statues. Some kind of big sheep. Guess what? I saw the pandas, but it's just a fake one. Oh, the red pandas. I'm really going to the zoo. I mean, no, the panda sanctuary, the 1 or 2 days time in the morning. Wow, look at this. The animal specimens. I don't think they are real. Let me just check it out. Oh, you can feel the skin and stuff. I think the American mink fur is the softest. The black bear is a bit coarse. Oh, they have a shop selling the panda stuff. It's closing down 5 p.m. It's just in time actually tour everything, although it's a bit rushed. You know that Chengdu, you sell lots of panda stuff. I just arrived at the 6th floor, the top floor. Up corridor and a tea house. Check out this cute panda. I actually wanted to visit here. I mean, this epic of civilization, but it's a paid kind of exhibition, so we just observe, admire from here. Before you guys leave, you can take some photos here, and there are a lot of styles for you guys to choose. And after that, you can choose the style you like. There are also some souvenir coins you can buy, 20 yuan, 30 yuan from here. There's also a locker in the corner, you can put your stuff, but that's only for small bags. If you're luggage bags, I think you can leave it outside in the storage area or you carry it. The guards, security guards, okay, they don't usually stop you. A really nice experience today. I covered the whole museum in like slightly more than 1 hour. And I'm going to have my dinner now. I saw there's a temple just beside the museum. I'm not sure whether it's open now. The Chinese word is Huangcheng Xingzhen Si. Let me check. I just saw this. You can actually scan QR code on the WeChat to make appointment. I think it'll be faster. You know, you just get a ticket from the consult counter.